Hello all, welcome to Mohansh Technologies. So in last class, we discussed about Visual Studio Code and we discussed about Sublime Text and one more editor. There is a PyCharm. So a lot of people are actually using PyCharm editor, right? So how to install PyCharm and how to work with the PyCharm, all these things we will see now. And I will show all the editors. No worries. Okay, whatever the editors which are available for Python, I will show all the editors. Okay, just open browser. Any browser you take Firefox, you take Chrome, you take IE browser, you take Safari browser, whatever the browser. Okay, search for PyCharm and download it. Okay, download it. So after download, click next. That's it. Next click చేస్తే automatically file will install for you. Then create a new file, save as file name, whatever you want, you can give file name, hero name, you can give heroine name, you can give girlfriend name, whatever you want, you can give. File name is your wish, guys. Okay, file name dot py, file name dot py. Then after that, write your code, write your code and run the code. Okay, write your code, run the code, and you can get the output. That's it. Okay, let's see how this PyCharm will work in your systems. Okay, I will open PyCharm now. Just search for PyCharm download. Yes, enter. Can you see? I see PyCharm, right? PyCharm. Yeah, PyCharm is there. JetBrains providing PyCharm. Open, install PyCharm. Install PyCharm. Okay, accept all. Okay, no problem. Then install get PyCharm, click on get PyCharm. Then it is asking me what is the file you want. I want exe file. Please go for exe file. Please. Yeah, it will download for us. Okay, see the option, downloads option. My God, my mouse is not working. See the option here, downloads option. One second. So PyCharm is downloading for me. It is actually showing on top of the tab. Wait. It is slowly downloading. Maybe it is a big file. It is slowly downloading for us. Wait for few seconds. Yeah, almost it is downloading for me. Wait for few seconds. It will download for us. Then we will write the Python code inside it. Very simple. Python is very simple. Python is very simple. Don't think like it is programming. Yes, programming. What is there? If any programming you learn, no problem. But Python is dead easy comparing to the other programming languages, C++, Java, .NET, or PHP, whatever the programming languages you know. Comparing to all programming languages, Python is dead easy. And finally, Python is simple. You can write a program inside it, and you become a good programmer end of the day. And you can able to learn emerging technologies like blockchain, data science, AI. Sir, everybody is doing only Python code only. So that is a platform. So first you build your platform, improve your Python skills. That's all. Then automatically you can able to understand any kind of technology later. It's not a big deal, guys. Okay. So it is installing. That is why I'm talking about it. And our Mohan's technology is going to be giving a lot of emerging technologies like quantum computing, data science, Gen AI, and different kind of cyber security things like ethical hacking, IAM trainings like PingFederate and CyberArk. And we will be having different kind of emerging technologies only our focus. Mohan's Technologies focus is only emerging technologies. At the same time, within short period, we are going to be cover. And one more advantage is this is online courses only. So we are not going for offline courses. We are giving online platform, and this platform is going to be giving you jobs only. Okay. Let me wait for it. It is downloading still so far. Maybe it is a big file, I think. It seems. Mhm. Still downloading. The file is downloading. Maybe it seems it's a big file actually. Wait for a few seconds. So you follow the channel, you will be having all the free courses. Lot of free courses we are going to be providing, and you can watch the videos, and you can able to get the knowledge on that, and you will go for the emerging technologies, then you will become successful automatically. It's not a big deal, guys. Okay. So everybody become a software developer. That is not a big deal. And one more thing, so our Mohan's Technology is going to be giving a lot of emerging technologies. I already told you. And watch previous videos first of all. Whatever the technology videos we uploaded in the YouTube. So don't miss the videos. Please like the channel, subscribe the channel. If anybody not subscribed so far till now, maybe it seems PyCharm downloaded. Yes, done. That was done. Let me go to the downloads option now. Open the folder, go to the downloads. Yes, go to downloads now, and yeah, PyCharm is there. Open the PyCharm now. Yes, it is installing for us now. Right. Very good. Very good. Successfully, we downloaded it. And again, it is going to be installing for us. Yes, it is asking me if you want to install. Yes, I want to install it. Install it, please. Click on next button. Click on next button. Click on next button. Click on install button. That's all. That's all. Very simple. Straightforward. Installation of software is very simple. So it's not a big deal. I'm showing step by step. I'm showing step by step, one by one process. So now we will write the program also. The program is also very simple. In Python, programming is very simple, like your English language. If you know English, then automatically you know Python. The only thing is you need to understand the syntaxes. The whatever the syntaxes I'm going to be telling you, those particular syntaxes you need to understand. That's all enough. Okay. So yeah, this is a big file. I know. PyCharm is a big file. It is extracting 38%, 48%, 89%. Yes. Wait. You have to wait it. I just want to install PyCharm. I want to show all the editors for you. See, directly I can go for the Jupyter Google Collaboratory. I can write the Python code. That is not the agenda. The agenda is, so our agenda is we have to give each and every editor introduction to you. See, where Python I can able to write. I can able to write ideally. I can able to write Sublime Text. I can able to write Visual Studio Code. I can able to write PyCharm. Then we can go Google Collaboratory. That is our course. In Google Collaboratory only, our course will run actually. But I want to show all the editors to you. So where Python can support, how many editors can support Python. So the base, the platform you have to understand. So that is the very reason I am actually giving a number of editors to you. So the platform is very important. Before going to the war, you have to build your weapons. So the weapons are very important. These are actually weapons. Your notepad is a weapon. Your wordpad is the weapon, and your editor is the weapon. Ideally is the weapon. The same time, different kind of editors, all the editors are weapons to you. But end of the day, the the best weapon we have to take, then we have to go for the war. That is a major point actually. So right, installing. Mostly it is going to be done. Wait for few seconds. Yes. Mostly it is going to be installing. Please watch all the videos in the YouTube. Whatever we actually posted, mules of videos, number of videos, 100 plus videos, MuleSoft we have, and cybersecurity PingFederate videos we have 50 plus, and Python videos I am going to be uploading 120 plus videos. Even JavaScript also I am uploading 120 plus videos. Lot of videos I am trying to uploading in the YouTube. You can watch it free. Okay, so try to do practice all the things. Okay, this is a big file, guys. You have to wait for a few seconds. We don't do anything for that. Even you are going to be, yeah, that was ready. Completing PyCharm setup. PyCharm has installed in your computer. Please go finish. That's all. Now you search in the search box PyCharm. Yes, PyCharm. I got. Open it. Open it. Please follow step by step process. Please follow step by step process. I am taking time. No problem. This file is the bigger file. That is the why reason it is taking a lot of time for us. Click on continue button. Click. Oh, I don't want to send the notifications and all. Yes. Allow access. Okay, fine. Click on allow access. That is not an issue. Yes. Okay. Skip to import. No issues. Right. So this is the PyCharm. So now you got the editor, right? Now you got the editor. Now directly you can create the project. I want to create the new Python script, guys. Okay. Nothing. I want to create a new Python script. Click on the new Python script. Now preparing the environment. PyCharm is already having the Python environment. It is actually making ready environment for you. Then you write the code and execute the code. That's all. We'll write a simple code now. We'll write a small and simple code. How to write the code? The coding is very crazy. Coding is very crazy. If you're writing something, getting output is actually very crazy. Then you get goosebumps. Oh, I got a new thing. I'm doing something. That kind of thing you have to feel. Now see, guys. Yeah, project got ready. What's the new PyCharm? All these things I don't want. Close all these things. Activating subscriptions. Okay, all these things. Okay, got it. Fine, guys. Go. Yes, I got it. I got it. Script, new script I can able to write now. Okay, script.py something is there. Okay, no issues with that. Okay, this is my first Python file I want to create. Yeah, I want to create a project. Click on the project. Some files are already there. Okay, let me create a new script file. This script file is already available. Okay, well, let me open the script file now. Okay, some print is there, already is there. I don't want all these things. Let me delete it. Okay, so now I need to write the new code actually. Let me write down the code. Okay, if you want, you can improve the font size and all. You can go for the settings. Go to the settings. You can improve the font size. Okay, I want to improve the font size for PyCharm ante. Then you have to go to the editor, and editor option is there. In editor option, font option is there. Go to the font option. You can improve the font. Okay, I want to improve the font like 25. I want to improve the font 25. Okay, your font is also now very good. Okay, now you can write the code. Start the code. Right, I want to write something. Okay, something like first name. First name is equal to Mohansh. Right. Next, last name. last name is equal to something like technologies. Whatever you want, you can give, guys. I'm giving a Mohansh Technologies. Now I want to give the full name. See, full name is a variable again. One more point you have to understand here. There is no data types. You are not giving any data types here. Full name is equal to what is the full name? First name plus last name is the full name, right? First name plus first name is already there plus, and I want one space also. Between this, I want one space. Okay, space is also one string. Okay, I'm taking the string space, then last name. Okay, done. Now see, I want to print all the names. I want to print the first name. I want to print the last name. I want to print the full name also. Print print print. Python is simple. Python is simple. Open the bracket. Open the bracket. This is the braces. Some people call braces. Some people call bracket. Open the bracket. What is that? I want to print. First name I want to print. Okay, write the first name. Close the bracket. Close the braces. Close the bracket. Then enter. Enter is coming to the next line. Again print print. Mala again open the bracket. Last name. Last name. Close the bracket. Properly open the bracket. Properly close the bracket. Your bracket need to open. Your bracket need to close. Inside that variable need to be here. If variable is available in the brackets only, then only you can get the output. Then go for the full name. Sir, full name also I want to print, sir. Yes, okay, sir. Print again, open the bracket. Open the bracket, close the bracket. Automatically it is giving the closing also. Okay. Then you print the full name. Full name, sir. Then finally execute the program. That's all done. That's all done. Program is done. First name you written. Last name you written. Full name you added with concatenation. First name plus space plus last name. Then click on the run button. When you click on the run button, then automatically, can you see the output, guys? What is the output now? Mohansh is there. Technologies is there. Mohansh Technologies is there. So you're writing something, automatically output is coming. Whatever the brackets contain. So bracket contain what? First name. First name is the output. Bracket contain or last name. Last name is the output. Again, bracket contains what? Full name. Full name is the output. Done. So simple. Python is very simple. You can write the Python very, very easily. It's not a big deal, guys. Okay. Try to understand this. And one more thing. We are uploading all the Python videos free of cost. Like the channel, like the video, subscribe the channel. If you don't subscribe it till now so far, please subscribe the channel and please provide your comments also. Share with your friends also. We are going to be providing all the technologies free of cost. We are not charging any money. Emerging technologies, when we start the batch, I will inform in the YouTube only. No worries about it. But this Python, JavaScript, and different other MuleSoft, all the things we are going to be giving free. Right? Again, we'll meet in the next video with collaboratory. Oh my God, collaboratory is the extreme one. I am waiting for that. Okay, so these editors are okay. Local environments. The next video, I go for the cloud. Cloud is superb, superb. I'm also waiting for the next video. Thanks for now. See you signing off. Bye bye.